frontline Gardaí, Jonathan, openly hostile towards doing their jobs and brazen in expressing it to independent personnel sent to check their performance. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Couldn't be ours.
Yeah, and I also think it's a really damning indictment of the good Gardaí that are going out there this morning to do their job. I wonder how they're feeling this morning looking at this. If there are colleagues who are letting them down, this getting into the public domain the way it has must be really, really demoralising for them.
Yeah, I mean, Jonathan, I don't think we need to point out at this stage that we lose a person every 2 days on our road. Somebody dies every 2 days on our road. So the idea that some Gardaí are deciding not to enforce the rules of the road is quite extraordinary. It really is extraordinary. And also, we are talking about a disciplined force here. This is a challenge to authority that just cannot be tolerated. And look, you know, I'm the first to always say we have a brilliant Garda force. I'm a huge fan of the way our Gardaí police, the moderate way they police, and we have seen in recent times just how dangerous the job can be. It's not an easy job.
As a former supervisor in the force, I mean, I had somebody that was openly hostile to doing their job. I would deal with them fairly quickly. And let me assure you, I have said on many occasions to people who showed open contempt, just leave your uniform at the door. You know, that's it. If you're not going to do your job, because we did take an oath, and our job is, and based on the number of pillars that we always signed up to, was the preservation of life was one of the most important one of those pillars.
Yeah.